Hey beauties, Daisy Andrea here. I have got a special unboxing for you guys today. Um, doo, 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 doo. I typically have my Young Living unboxings. However, I am really super stoked about this new product. Friends have been raving about it, and oh yeah, P.S. Boys, get out of the room. This is not particularly cool topic to talk about. I'm really stoked about the Thinx product. I have a lot of issues with that time of the month, and things are just kind of a little bit out of control right now. So I was hoping that this could make my life easier. So I really just wanted to showcase this. I'm going to start out with an unboxing, and then I will follow up with it shortly. Because it'll have to be next month of my full review of the product and see how I like it. So here is the box. It's got like a little cool sticker on it. I do apologize, I look kind of a mess. I usually try and make my efforts for videos to clean myself up a little bit, but I just got back from a mountain bike ride, and actually I'm still breathing quite heavily. But I was super stoked because this box was waiting for me at the mailbox. So I'm going to dig in. And I usually kind of take off some of the initial binding first because it's like a mystery to me how to open half of these packages. But I really wanted to, I guess, show everyone how they do their packaging. And I'm trying to figure out exactly... Oh, here we go. So it pops open like this. So a very simple box. But when you open it up, let me see if we can get kind of a visual here. Looks like a bunch of almost greeting cards. So kind of neat little packaging there. So go take everything out. And then they have some cool little images and some kind of card. So, which is just kind of saying that it's made for ladies like you and me. So cool stuff. I was really kind of stoked to get this product, and then recently, as soon as I got this one, good old Google was like listening to me, and actually I found out there is another company too that has kind of the same idea. I did like, though, that they had, which I may check out depending on how I like these, sleep pants and sleep shorts. So if anyone has problems overnight when they wake up in the morning and they have mess, maybe those would be cool because who knows? Gotta keep it clean, ladies. So I did get in my set. I prefer thongs typically because I figure underwear's going up there anyways. So if it starts there, it'll stay there, as opposed to shifting and riding. So I typically go with the thong. The thing with the thong is they don't hold as much. I think it was only the volume of 1 or 1.5 tampons per thong. I could be slightly incorrect on that. But the regular panties, the full coverage, they allowed for 2 full tampons. So during a heavy flow day or a day when I'm at work and it's hard to run off to the bathroom, it's good to have some additional leak-proof coverage. So I usually have, so that's the good thing, is you can kind of get a set based upon what your cycle is like. So I have 2 crazy days, and then followed by some nuts, some pretty spotty whatsoever kind of mild days. So I did get 2 of the hip huggers, and then I did get 3 of the thongs. So I guess I might as well just open them up in front of y'all. I'm sure that's what you are kind of tuning in for. So I guess that's the point of an unboxing, or an unbagging in this case. So here we go. Here is the, oh my gosh, they look massive. I did get extra small, and they do look like kind of granny panties. And I always go with black. I am not the type of person that is going to try a nude underwear during their period. It's just not happening. So it does feel like there is some sort of sewn in component, and it is definitely thicker. So it's definitely a lined underwear. And then in the crotchular region, there is some sort of something between the liner and the actual exterior of the panty. So there's some sort of absorbent fiber. Of course, I'm usually the type of person that does my research and wondering what sort of stuff is in there. How can this possibly hold this much gunk? So maybe when I do my follow-up, I'll figure out exactly what's going on here. But it does say that the inner is 95% organic cotton, 5% elastane, middle, breathable, PUL, 95% cotton, 5% elastane. The outer is 95%. That doesn't make sense. Maybe it's 35% nylon and 15% elastane. Some of the numbers aren't adding up here, but essentially it says to clean it, you want to rinse it first. You want to do a cold water wash, hang to dry. Don't use fabric softener or bleach. Made in Sri Lanka. So, super cool. Not going to model them for you because they kind of look kind of grandma-ish, and that's not my bag. So, I will follow up on these and let you know how they do. And I typically, my mindset was to use these as backup as opposed to just kind of letting it flow. So I might experiment a little here and there, and maybe if you have some feedback, if you have a question about it, just let me know, and I'll try something. I still have a couple, I think I got 3 weeks to go before Aunt Flo is back to visit. I will open the thong for y'all. Why am I saying y'all today? I'm going to open the thong for you guys to have a look at. And it has the same sort of waistband. And these look absolutely huge. It's bigger than my head. This is, well, I got all in extra small, but this definitely looks a little bit more roomy, so I'm hoping it fits correctly. But same sort of thing. It does have, you can feel that there is something built in. And I can understand why it holds less, or claims that it holds less, because it feels a little bit less bulky than the hip hugger. So super stoked about that. So that's what I've got for you guys so far. I am going to, again, follow up. You guys do have a couple of weeks to get some questions for me, because I will start my experiment in 2 or 3 weeks. So if you guys want me to try something, or if you have a question, if you want me to work out with them, if you want me to do lunges in them, if you want me to sleep in them, if you want to hear certain feedback, just let me know, and I will review this product and let you know how it does for me. And I'm typically a very heavy flow type of person, so if this works, I am going to be super stoked, because this is a problem for me. So anyways, ladies, hopefully it's just ladies tuning into this. Thank you for checking out my unboxing. Subscribe below so that you don't miss my follow-up. Also check out my other videos, because not only am I obsessed with things that can make my life easier, I love essential oils, so I have my DIY videos where I do some cleaning supplies, beauty, kind of helping to make life a little bit more low maintenance and chemical free. So check out, subscribe, go to my website, my blog. I'm on Instagram, so all of that info is below. But thanks for checking me out. You guys have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.